back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Pretty and I post about travel vlogs which include activities and adventures. So guys, welcome back to my channel. As you have seen by the title, I am here at Padharo restaurant and I'm at RAJKOT, which if you haven't seen my other video, my baby bhaiyo e ata Canada ma e aba Canada jayaj એટલે e ata flight માં હે રાજકોટ થી દિલ્હી ના e ata બેહે પણ ગયા છે and nearly I think around half an hour થઈ હશે. તો અમે પાછા રસ્તામાં આવીએ પાછો obviously અમે આવાડીએ જવાનું કુતિયાના and so this restaurant was on the way and it seems really nice. I mean you can see about decorations, it seems really beautiful and plus અમે રસ્તામાં પણ આવતો હતો so we were like why not. So I guess enough of my blubbering, let's go eat.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, so we have just ate from the restaurant. The restaurant itself was really nice. I mean, we've never had food from anything like that before as well. And so you've seen the cave, it was really beautiful. And the entrance as well. You can see this is the entrance, it's sunken in seating area as well. And because it is all like a cave, so I'm guessing even at daytime, it's probably going to be all dark and mysterious and like that. And so I'm charging at that on the because this restaurant isn't something you can spot really easily because you wouldn't think that something like this really nice would be here. However, we did end up coming in and it was really beautiful and really nice. So I'll head out outside and show you the area there and yeah, so let's go. Okay, so our restaurant higher in the bahar here, which you can hear the sounds, and a really big head jagama. I mean, our restaurant itself, Bharti Panako cave no look for and proper under. And our side message with the warm water here, I had a swimming pool pond here, however, it is khali here done. But this is a big jaga, a warm water jaga here, and I'm guessing that Aku round Hatu is Aku restaurant now. So probably एक बार फोटो पाने पछी मैं आगे जाना अगर पन तो मुझे really nice है. Okay guys, so as you just saw, I showed you guys around as well. And હવે અમે ખાઈ પણ લીધું અને બધું કરી લીધું. It was so nice. Definitely recommend you guys to come here because અમને બહુ મજા આવી. I mean, આ અલગ જ kind of experience હતો and 1 કલાક છે તો અમારા ઘરથી. તો હવે અમે probably ઘરે હવે જવાના કેમ કે as you can see pitch black પણ થઈ ગયું અને 9:30 જેટલા વાગ્યા છે અત્યારે. So yeah, so this is where I'm going to be ending our restaurant video and yeah, I hope you guys better come here because it is so nice. I would make koi din jo cave ma khawanu and really nicely one of the best things India ni trip ma our restaurant hoto. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Bye.